Hey, looks good. Okay, welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Very happy to present you the lesson 4, training Kung Fu at home. Follow me now. So today we're going to present you 3 things. So the first thing is how to make the fastest punch, and the second thing is how to make the power palm, and the last thing will present you 2 stances for this lesson: the horse stance and the ball stance. Let's go. If you want training Kung Fu but you don't have a big space, but if you have this, that's enough. So you can do it. So follow me now. 报，同学们好。You should answer 老师好。Welcome to the lesson 4. So today, the first thing we're going to talk about how to make the fastest punch. Alright, follow me now. Jump or cross. The power generates from the heel. So they lift the heel and twist. And the power goes, right? Come back. So you should to relax your shoulder and punch out of the surface of the punch. If you watch the lesson 1, so we do boom, the punch and boom, punch. The same thing, short punch, and the same speed. You're coming back like this. You go, phoo, phoo, phoo. Your punch also cannot be too far or too short. You have to catch the good timing. That is the sweet spot. It's good timing. So you go hit and you come back. If you do too short, will be look like. That's really fast, but you cannot reach your target. Or once you go too far, you come back. You gotta be a little sloppy and a little bit slow back. So you have to catch the good timing, to catch the sweet spot, to make the fastest speed of punches. The Kung Fu way. The Kung Fu punch, and we do vertical, and with the short distance and the faster speed. Your palm on front, and your hand just behind right here, right? With the short distance, your arm bending, but pretty much forward. And so your left hand can be go, boom, close to the face. So you go close to the face, block the eye. And you can use your vertical punch and not rotate. So 1 right there, and 2, you straight to the face, and you come back, and you go punch. So punch, and you come back, but not fully. So now come back your waist, now come back your shoulder, come back, just same position. So with a short distance, 1, 2, straight, 1, 2, straight. So with the question you might ask, so with short distance like this, they have more power like this long punch. With the training, you can have the power. The principle with the short distance punch, like Bruce Lee can do 1-inch punch. So how you can get this? You have to have a really strong arm, and your waist and your body have to support the punch with that quick speed and twist. See this? You go with the short distance and fast speed, and you go boom, and you go boom, and come back boom, and go boom, right? That faster speed. So you go. So keep practice with the principle of 1-inch punch with short distance, the fastest speed. Now we're going to talk about the power pump. Closer distance with the target, and you can to go and from the top. If you only use your arm, so this is not power enough. Really using your waist, the power from top, and then from the waist and then go to your elbow and go to your hand and power out outside of your palm will be go. So this is have more power strike by arm and hand. That's go. So that will be have more power right there. Also another way, so you go chop and be the side way. Power right there, right there, right there. So you go boom, side, right? You go boom. And same way, other side. And then another way, use your palm. Also, you can chop chop will be attack like this and this. Speed and you go, attack, bring power out of your outside of your palm. Two hands to work together to make powerful palm. One hand down, one hand up, and both hands to go to the neck. The principle like tai chi here, and lean close as possible and push. Another way, use your both hand work together to make power pop. You go block the face, right? There you go, shot right there. And to make multiple times, right there. People can block their eye to lean their chin back, they will be lose the balance. Hey, you go multiple times and check and you take them down. So now I quick to tell you some exercise to build your muscle strong. 8 times or 10 for each time you do this, right? Same thing, 10 times a day. And later on, you can do 2 times a day. And later on, you can build 12 times each time or 15 times each time. So once you're getting stronger and your muscle getting so used to the way you train, right? A good way to relax your shoulder, you can have something like this. So you can hold right hand right here and left hand hold like here. Same thing for other side. So follow me. Let's follow me for the lesson 4, the last part, horse stance and bow stance. Put your both hand become fist on your waist and to make a step. The distance same like your shoulder. You make a 2 times bigger steps. So that's the size for horse stance. So you make another step. That is 2 times. Now put your hand and double punch. And slowly, so go down to keep your back straight. So don't bend forward or back or either side. Just go, stay straight and go low and go low and go low. You both knee try push out this way. And with your flat level. Like that. Okay, great work. And with this way will be great. You put both hands back and you can practice and those punches, right? Just like how we're learning with the lesson 1, 2, shoot, and punch, and punch, and punch, and punch, and punch, and come back. And you can also practice your pumps like how we're learning from lesson 3. So push pumps, and push pumps, and cross down, and come back with. You can go up, and you with your right hand, and come back your waist, and standing up, and feet together, and bow, and get ready. Put both hands on your waist. So you make your first step, same distance like your shoulder, and you make it a double. Make it the left side, and then you make your left toe to twist forward, 45 this way. It's not all the way straight because so once you make your toe all the way straight, it's not a good balance. You see, if it's this way, it's not good balance. If someone pull you, you will be fall. So you want to have good balance, you make your toe go 45 this way, right? And then you go slide your right foot and go down, right? And same thing, so your right toe will be go 45 this way too. Why? This not give you good balance. This not strong enough. This much better, right? So toe 45 this way, left toe 45 this way, and you slide and you make this 90-degree level, flat and like square, right? Flat and flat, perfect. And then you put both hands like your waist, and same thing you can practice punch like that, like how we're learning from the lesson 1 and lesson 2, perfect. And the same thing you can rotate and push the palms, and great. And also you can transfer them to do other side, will be same thing exactly. So you go low 45 and 45 your toe, and you go punches. Great work. or you do pumps. Okay, great. Also, you can to transfer by your palm flat this way and pass. And same thing, you rotate right hand and you pass. And you go this way, pass. And you go pass and pass and pass and pass. Alright, great work. Great work, my friend. And the basics is very important. At the beginning, you will feel very easier. You got sore and you feel tired. You cannot stay long. But with the way you're training, it will make you stronger and you can do longer. So my student, the first test, we only ask them to do 25 seconds. They training longer, they will do 45 seconds and they do 1 minute. And then we did the last challenge for horse stance. And one of a little girl do 5 minutes for horse stance. It's very strong. Remember that 1,000 miles start with single step. Thank you very much. I see you next time, my friend. So take care. I love you all. Bye bye.